Hey guys, in this video we are going to make Oreo milkshake. We are gonna make it in the perfect cafe style. As you can see, it is very thick also, so let's get started. So for this, at first we will add 4 Oreo cookies and we will make fine powder out of it. And now to this we will add 2 cups of milk. The milk should be chilled. And now to this we will add some sugar to it. And at last we will add some chocolate syrup. Now we will cover it and blend it for a few seconds. It is looking very good. And now we will add some ice cubes to it. And some ice cream. Ice cream is optional. If you want to add, then add, otherwise skip it. Now we will cover it and blend it for a few seconds more. It is ready, looking very good. Now we will take a glass and pour it into it. It is done, and now I am going to garnish it. For this I will add some cream to it. You can totally skip it. And now I will add a Oreo cookie to it, and for the garnishing I will add some chocolate syrup to it.